about PBE2 switching. Okay, the question is IoE and DHCP to configure at packet tracer. The task is configure a Cisco 1941 router or DHCP server compatible ISR device for IPv4 or IPv6 DHCP addressing. Second, think of 5 devices in your home you would like to receive IP address from the router DHCP service. Set the end device to claim DHCP addresses from the DHCP server. Third, show output validating that each end device secure an IP address from the server. Send your output information via a screen capture program or use the print screen key command. Next, present your feeding to a fellow classmate or to the class. Okay, now we start task number 1. Choose router 1941. Okay, choose switch. I choose switch 2960. Okay, task number 2. Think of 5 devices. I choose device laptop. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To connect each other, I choose cable copper straight through. First internet 0, first internet 01, to first internet 02, first internet 03, first internet 04, first internet 05. Okay, to connect the router at switch, I choose the same cable, gigabit 01, gigabit 01. Okay, to connect the router to switch, we was configure the CLI command. Okay. Enable configure use name router 1. Okay, give the INT to IP to give the IP address INT G/1 INT gigabit 0/1. Okay, IP address 192.198.0.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, to connect, we was command shutdown. Okay, this. The task is about DHCP. I was to do some command DHCP, IP DHCP included, included, excluded address, address 592.168.0.1 592.0.168.0.10. Okay, IP DHCP full name LAN network net 592.28.0.0 submask 255.255.255.0. Enter. Default router default router 592.168.0.1 it is okay. To give the device IP address, we was to choose DHCP because she give the IP address automatic. Okay. IP address 192.168.0.11. Okay, to give the packet tracer nice, we was to change the name lab L L L slash 1. Do same, but IP address is different. Okay, config slash 2. IP address is different. Change the name slash 3. To see the DHCP is was configured, we was to check DHCP. She give the different IP address, so she is configured. So therefore, same with others. Net 5 slash 5. Okay, change the name to see the nice packet tracer. Okay, that's all. That's all the packet tracer to PBT2, question PBT2. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Azrafina binti Mama Azmi and my NOKIT numbers is 19DDT19F1079. So, in this video, I will present about IoE and DHCP. So, introduction of IoE. IoE is the Internet of Everything. So, IoE is the seamless interconnection and autonomous coordination of massive number of computing element of sensors, inanimate and living entities, people, processors, and data through the internet infrastructure is an emerging research and development towards enabling the connected universe from molecular sensors to vehicle and also people.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now I will explain the question reflection. So the question that I will explain is question number 2. So the question is, how do you think the small medium sized business are able to use the DHCP IP address location in the IoE and IPv6 network world? Okay, and then brainstorm and record 5 possible answers. Okay, so first thing is the answer is small landscaping may be able to turn on the sprinkler system for customer when they go on vacation. Okay, based on the landscaping firms, the DHCP server IP address allocations. Okay, so next answer is small electronic companies may be able to check errors codes on any device with an IP address to evaluate the end device for repair by using their own DHCP server IP address allocations. Okay, so for the next answer is a small automotive business may be able to provide estimate for repair based on the DHCP IP addressing of automobiles with auto address link to the business IP to the business DHCP server. Okay, so for the next answer is a homeowner may be able to start the washer or dryer from any location. Okay, based upon a DNS server location and their own DHCP server address. Okay, for the last answer is television may be controlled to turn off or turn on. Select stations to record programs and more using a DNS server and personal DHCP server. So that's all my explanation based on the question number 2. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Nabila Ashkim Minta Malim. My magic number is 90DDT191038. Today I want to present about the question number 1 and my answer in question number 1. Okay, the question is why would a user want to use a Cisco 9041 router to configure DHCP on his home network? Would a smaller ISR be good enough to use as a DHCP server? My answer is the 9041 routers are more expensive than smaller ISRs, but they offer more option to implement security plans and are more robust in processing or bandwidth power. That's it. Thank you.